In previous video, we have talked about functional programming, about functions, about pure functions, and everything covered. And in this video, I want to talk about list comprehensions. Well, we have talked about the list as well, but here I want to talk about the list comprehension. Well, not only list, but also the set comprehensions and dictionary comprehensions. Well, these are very, very important. First of all, I want to talk about the list comprehensions. Means, well, to create in a simple way, in a very, very easy way. Let's have a list. My list. I want to create a list. And for character and, well, hello. And, well, my list dot append. I want to append this in my list. Now I want to print my list. Very, very simple. Python. It looks, well, this append takes a character. This character. Very nice and clean. Hello. And the list we have seen here. We have created this list. But what is the best way to create it very easily? So we talk about the list comprehensions here. Now instead of just, well, commenting out this, I want to have a list. Well, my list, I want to have this, like params for param and iterable. Very, very simple and very, very easy. So this is actually the formula, we can say, actually the format. How we can have that here? Like, I want to have it, all the things comment out, and the same output I just want to see from here. My list, well, character for character and hello. Just print my list. The same output. It's called list comprehensions. Means, like, here we had some lines of codes, but here only 2 lines of codes we had, and everything clean and well. Now, not only this, we can also have, like, well, a number. We can use a range, like my list 2. We have, like, number for number in range of, well, 0 to 100. Let's see, 0 99. So it works fine. Well, we have here, like, easily. What about the set? How we can use this in set? Well, only thing we just change here, like this bracket. Very, very easy. Hello from 0 to 99. Well, it's very, very easy. Now, how we can use this for a dictionary? Well, for dictionary, it is like something, well, it must be changed. Let's comment out and let's have a simple simple dictionary. Like A is 1, for example, B, the value will be 2. Is a simple dictionary. And what will be the, well, the formula? Actually, I have key value, like, for example, let's multiply by 2, I will have this key value pair, and, well, simple dictionary. and now print my dict. Everything looks fine. Now it is simple. Well, the real things are not here. We have here simple dictionary and we want the items. Well, we want to see the items. Well, will it work? Let's see. Yes, it works fine. A has 2, B, well, 4, because, well, we have here multiply. If I want to have double multiply or like this, A is 1, B is 4. Well, that's very simple. And, well, Python or an set or dictionary comprehension. And even you can have here, like, instead of key means kv, instead of key means kv. Without any error, we can see everything here very clean. So this is a complete list comprehension, set comprehension, and dictionary comprehensions, which we have covered everything. See you in the next video.